First import all the library files. Next create a class mst private static final integer v is equal to 5, int min key, int key array and boolean mset array. Then initialize the minimum value using for loop. Iterate through the value of v and compare v with capital V. Check whether mset is false and key of v is less than min. If it is the case, assign min is equal to key of v and min index equal to v. Return the value of min index. Then you create a utility function to print the constructed mst stored in parent array. Declare a print mst function and then print the weight and age. Iterate through the loop using for loop. And parent of I plus I, then graph of I, parent of I. Construct a tree using void prim mst function and defining a graph. Declare the value of parent array and key array. Next declare boolean mset array. Initialize all key as infinite. Iterate through the value of I and assign key of I is equal to integer dot max value. Set mst set equal to false. Assign key of 0 is equal to 0 and parent of 0 is equal to -1. Iterate through using for loop, setting count value of 0. Then initialize int u is equal to min key of key comma mst set. Declare mst set of u equal to true. Set the value of v as 0 and check whether v is less than v and iterate through it using for loop. Check whether graph of v is not is equal to 0 and mst set of v is equal to false, and check whether graph of uv is less than key of v. Assign parent of v as u and key of v as graph of uv. Call the function print mst parent comma graph, and under public static void main initialize variable t mst and mst function. Declare a graph and set all the value of the edges and weight. Now call the print mst function and invoke the graph into the function. Then call the function using the object t. Now execute the function and get this value 8012 1223 0236 and 1245. Thank you for watching.